Here. Come here. It's an animal. I don't know what, but it's an animal. That's so weird. It does, but it doesn't. If it is, it sounds like it's hurt. She's growling. What is that, Betty? She's growling. You hear her? Oops. What's there, Betty? That is so... She's scared. She's scared. Think we should call the cops?
What's a dog?
That's not a dog. That's not a dog. That's a person. That sounds like a dog. Shh. I want to go out there.
Yeah.